Hey, my friend, I am Subhas Yadav here, and today I was thinking about to give you full blueprint about how you can build your 10K per month using affiliate marketing system and launching products and without running any ad. Because in the marketplace, so many methods available. A lot of people just talking to make 100K per year, but really fake, and you will wasting a lot of times, effort and money to buy Sydney objects, Sydney type training. Okay, so first of all, I am going to share how I made 1k sorry yeah, $1,000 day. That is, I have some multiples account, but I am going to share only one. So it is completely I have learned from Ministry of Freedom. So also, if you want to learn everything, then you need to join Ministry of Freedom. It is one of the best training affiliate marketing training program around the world, and no anyone can share this kind of secret to another training methods. Okay, so you can see this is searching, and you can see today earning is that I think yesterday earning that just 1138 dollars. So it is a big amount in India if you in India. And then what I'm saying to talk about, it is very good for you if you're starting your business online marketing. Then this is complete overbrainer, because you will learn everything inside, how you can launch your own product and how you can launch software business without any technical skills required, and how you can make your 5,000 buyer email lead without running any ads, and how to promote other people's product without having good skills. And here you can see on here week number one with 1 2 3 4 5 here the branding and email marketing product launching. So you can see I have clicked on the product launching, so you can see a lot of videos inside. So I am a full-time member, but it is cost just $1,500. So you must have a cost to join this program. But if you are serious, you know about business, you're passionate about online marketing, that is really good for you. And you can see software research and development, research and outsourcing, paid traffic, so everything on here. So I'm not thinking making just $100,000 per day is too hard, because you will get everything inside Ministry of Freedom. It changed my life. And you want to know anything about Ministry of Freedom, ping me and WhatsApp me. I have put it my all details about how if you I will support you. Also, but you have a but you need to have a must budget, because without budget you will not able to join this program. And budget cost is just for $1,497, around $1,500 Indian rupee. I think 1,17,000, I think 1,17,000. So ये होना चाहिए. So this is important for it. Okay, so I hope. And if you don't know, your English is weak, that is completely fine. आप हिंदी में भी कर सकते हो, समझ सकते हो, और सारी चीजें कर सकते हो. Okay, so if you want to join it, then feel free to message me and I will personally support you. And a lot of, not you, a lot of Indian people who join this program, and they have changed their lives. Okay, so if you want to see how many Indian people join, let's open a Facebook. Okay, so last 7 day I'm going to talk about. Just you can see this last week. So here you can see last 30 days, not last 30 days, you can see. So that is not, that is it is my new account. I have my different Facebook different Vara Plus account, Zebiso account. So I am making so much money. But it is possible after join this amazing program, because I have learned a lot inside this program. I have never seen this kind of training to another training program. Okay, so if you have a budget, feel free to contact me before access, and I personally support you. And the best part is, a lot of people just saying just say I'm starting for a personal support for Indian people, a personal support. So I have created a Facebook separate group, or sorry, WhatsApp separate group, where where I'm giving a full support of new member who want to join. So I'm giving support about launching their product ideas and how they can make at least $10,000 per month guaranteed if you are able to following this training methods. Okay, so you can say this is my Facebook profile. Okay, and here you can see a lot of people's posting tagging me as Indian people who launching their product every single day. And this is our WhatsApp group here, Ministry of Freedom, Indian people support. So if you be serious and if you're looking or someone who help you to building your affiliate marketing business, then I highly recommend you should join Ministry of Freedom. You WhatsApp me, okay, and it will take us a little bit time because a lot of people tagging me. So here it is my flute lesson. Just I'm So you can see Ganesh, Amit, and another peoples like Venkata and so many people. So you can see the Anirudh. You can see Anirudh and Vivek, Sandy, and Dr. Amit, and Uday Patak, and Ridhu, and another person called Harsad. So this and Rajan Sharma, and a lot of Indian people, Dipankar. So a lot of people who I have success in this field. So why you are wasting time alone if you really serious to building your business? Okay. So I personally support you. You can see Udhar Pratik, he launching their product and he selling a lot, and another people's launching product and selling. So launching is product, and because if you passionate about and you don't know the method, then Ministry of Freedom one of the best method, and you will save a lot of times money. So because people just thinking they want to join but they just don't have a clarification, and they have a confusion this method is working or not. So this is really working, and you will definitely make your income, and you will build proper business, because income you will build once you build your business. So if you want, then just comment below, or just say description, I have putting my WhatsApp number. Just contact me and I personally support you to building your business. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you again.